Ay!
I got more than just words. I got more than just words.
Welcome!
You bring
We're
me
together
songs
again!
sweet like a bird.
Nag-aayos siya ng bahay. Bumili siya ng bedsheets and mga bagong towels. Ayan. I am not talking shit about you. I'm actually saying that you went out to buy bedsheets and towels and you got me mouthwash, the baby mouthwash, and then yours is the big mouthwash. Guys, update. Nandito na ako sa Istanbul Airport and I am waiting for my second flight which is papunta na sa Izmir kung nasaan ang aking jowa. So yun, domestic flight yun. My God, na-delay kasi. Dapat sana kanina pa ako nandun pero na-delay ako Mars. Na-delay ng 2 hours po. Naghihintay ako dito sa isang cafe dito sa Istanbul Airport habang nag-FaceTime kami. Kasi siya naman, ang ginagawa niya, pinaprepare niya yung bahay, yung unit kung saan kami magsistay, nagpapalit siya ng mga bedsheet, bumili siya ng mga bago kasi wala namang gamit yun. So, bumili siya ng mga bagong mga gamit. Yun yung ginagawa namin right now. And look at this guys. Oh. Ayan siya, ganda. Tapos meron silang benta na Dubai chocolate. Actually, bumili ako look. Parang Dubai chocolate brownies inspired. Okay naman siya. Taste test natin itong Dubai chocolate inspired brownies. Oh, ayan. Nakikita nyo mga ano yan. Pistachio and brownies, chocolate. Let's try. Okay lang. Hindi naman siya masyadong matamis. Crunchy. Parang it's a mix of crunchy, soft. Although I cannot taste the pistachio. Kasi diba sabi nila may pistachio to? Hindi ko naman matikman yung pistachio niya. Parang wala namang pistachio. Kumustahin natin yung nag-ayos ng bahay. Let's ask kumusta siya. Wait. Babe, how's everything? Done na raw siya with the bedsheet. Babe, so the theme of the unit is like black and white. Because I see a lot of black and white. You Ayan siya. Sweet-sweet niya. Thank you, babe. You're so sweet. Thank you. Nung isang araw pa siya nag-prepare kung ano nang binibili niya. Bumili pa siya ng mga maliliit na towel para daw for a girl and for a boy, mga ganun. Bagong pillows. Ang aking napaka-sweet na jowa. Ayan siya. So sweet, my jowa. Okay, tara na hanapin na natin. Ang aking gate is G5. Balik tayo sa kung saan tayo galing kanina. Ayusin ko lang yung aking hair. Ang konti. Let's go. And also, nakapagpa-fresh na rin ako, guys. Nag-retouch ako ng konti kasi medyo haggard na ako kanina. Time check, it's 6. 6 o'clock. And yung flight ko is 8 o'clock. And also, guys, gumabi na. Kaninang dumating ako dito, maaraw pa. Ay, ito na. G5 Mars. Ilang G5 ang nandito? Kasi merong G5A, merong G5B. G5. Greenbelt 5. I'm here, guys! Kukunin ko ng aking luggage. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Nandito na ako. Finally! Thank you, Lord! At nakarating din ako dito sa Izmir, Turkey. Wala pa ang mga luggage. Hindi pa umiikot yung belts. I'm just so happy. And also, yung seatmate ko kanina dun sa flight is, ate, na-chika ako ng malala. Pero ang dami niyang mga tips na binigay sa akin. Like, mga places na pwedeng puntahan dito. So, sasabihin ko kay Robbie later. Robbie is already waiting for me outside. And also, alam na niya na nandito na ako. And also, by the way, guys, alam niyo ba na hindi naman ako business class, pero nilipat ako sa business class seat for this flight. Yung kanina lang. I don't know why. Dahil siguro binayaran ko yung seat ko dun sa original flight sana. Or dahil ang dami nilang delay. Ewan, pambawi. Hindi ko na rin alam. Yun lang, ma-share ko lang. Nakuha ko na! Let's go! Hanapin na natin ang aking jowa, guys. Hanapin na natin siya. Saan na kaya? What do you see? I'm not gonna go outside yet because outside is cold. Hinihintay ko pa lang siya, guys. Papunta siya dito. Hinahanap niya ako kasi maling exit yung pinuntahan ko. Maling belt. So na kaya ang aking jowa. My jowa, where are you? Where is that? Where are you?
I see the word well.
Uh-huh. We are looking for each other. Ay!
I got more than just words.
You get my bags?
I got more
Get my
than
bags?
just words. You bring me songs,
But I'm here.
sweet like the birds. So I got more than just words.
Habibi, welcome to Turkey.
Welcome! We're together again! Oh my God, baby, careful. I'm with my
Can you hold
jowa. Yes, okay, I will hold. Don't worry about it, okay? We are together again. How was your drive coming here?
My drive was pretty chill.
Chill?
Yeah, it was easy.
Baby. I like touching you. You see, I missed you so much.
Ooh.
Close na? All? Yeah. Hello, baby, you're so foggy. I'm not even paying attention to whatever you're saying right now because you're so foggy, babe. So, nandito na ako sa Turkey and this is my first morning, first day here in Manisa. So, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina pero ang nangyari is ang aga ko nagising dahil maaga nag-work si Robbie. From there, hindi na ako nakatulog. Ay, tawag.
Where are you?
Home! I got home na.
How was it?
It was good. It was easy. No, not really. It's okay. I survived. Babe, look. I need to show you something.
What's the bag?
I bought
Oh my god.
a lot of stuff. I went crazy. 2 bags of food, grocery, dishwashing, liquid. I got pasta, sausage, ham for sandwich, yogurt, 2 for me, 1 for you.
Because you're a big girl.
I am. So guys, ayan, ito na yung mga binili ko. Pinakita ko lahat sa kanya kanina sa video call. Okay, para lang naman may laman tong ref namin because, oh, you see? Walang laman. Kahit ano. Ito lang, mga binili niya for me. Pagdating ko kagabi dito, meron siyang mga binili na mga kung ano-ano. Ito, for me yan. Oh, ito ginger ale. Tapos calamansi juice daw yan. Tapos ito. Tapos ito din, binili din niya to for me. Kasi mahilig nga ako sa mga ganito, diba? Mga chicha, kung ano-ano. Tapos, guys, ito, itour ko kayo dito sa pinag-i-stayan namin dito sa Manisa. Ayan. Tara! Ganda. O, ayan yung room namin. Tapos, merong veranda na napakalaki. Actually, may yung balconies napakalaki. Sa labas. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung kitchen. Ganda. Modern siya. Tapos, tong tiles niya is heated floor. Ayan. Mainit. Heated floor siya. Tapos, ito yung bathroom. Malaki din yung bathroom. Diyan na yung mga gamit namin. Dami kong gamit. Ayan na yung mga gamit ko. Ayan. Tapos, ito binili niya. Sa akin daw to. Tapos, sa kanya tong blue. Tapos, ito din daw. Sa kanya tong malaki. Tapos, ako daw yung maliit. Tapos, meron ng kasamang washing machine. Tapos, ito yung lutuan. Tapos, ito yung maliit na sink. Tapos kami daw to, perfect match. Binili din niya to, tong glass na yan. O, diba? Napaka-thoughtful ng aking jowa. Tapos guys, wait lang. Bago ako maglagay nitong mga kung ano-ano, tignan nyo to. Kaninang umaga, bago siya umalis to work, early in the morning, iniwanan niya ako ng mga lira. Turkish lira. Iniwanan niya ako ng cash. Kasi daw, sabi niya, baka daw hindi ko magamit yung credit card ko. Tsaka para daw may panggasto ko dito, di ba? Ang aking jowa ay nagpapaka-sugar daddy. Anyway, okay, let's do this. Hi! Good morning! So, papalabas na ako guys. Kasi imi-meet ko si Robbie sa labas. And sabi niya sa akin, punta na lang daw ako sa street. Where is my Joe? Ano kaya? Ayan na ba siya? Is that him? Ah! That's him! Ayan na siya guys! Wait. Ayan na siya, oh. Tada! Ayan na siya! Here's my Pogi driver!
You're right.
Okay, let's go!
Let's go. Seatbelt.
Seatbelt. Huh? Are you hungry? Did you eat?
No.
Oh.
I left them, so we got a car now.
Hala, baby, don't hang out with the other coaches anymore. Because you have a Joanna. Guys, this is our neighborhood here in Turkey. Ang ganda ng bridge. And then there's a bus. And then there's a Pogi driver. Ganda and Pogi are going out. We are going to the city. So this is going to be a 45 to an hour drive from Manisa to Izmir. Yes. And it is such a nice weather today, guys. That's why.
This is what I traded for. The Lithuanian weather, I traded for this.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying.
Winter
but
cold,
sunny.
But it's sunny.
Yeah.
Clear skies.
Babe, it's also like this sometimes in Lithuania. It can get sunny too sometimes, but most of the time it's cloudy and it's rainy. But here, most of the time it's sunny. Yes. So, I like it so far. So this will be our second. It is gonna be my second day here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is officially my second day here in Manisa, Turkey. And sorry guys, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog when I was, you know, settling down in the apartment and everything, fixing my things. Kasi I was super busy. But now I can. And I'll take you with me today, okay? We're going to the city. Let's look at the view. There's the view. Hindi nyo lang masyadong makita because it's so sunny.
Statues and rocks.
Yeah. Okay, so apparently Izmir is the third largest city in Turkey with a population of 3 million. That's already the whole population of Lithuania. Did you bring your shades, babe?
I forgot those.
I saw it. I thought it was empty. Ay, nako, again, no shades.
I'll enjoy this. I'll take all this selection.
Okay, well, I did. I brought my shades. Because I'm that girl. Ayan. Ah, that feels so much better. Driving. There at the mall kung saan kami pupunta. Napakaganda dito, guys. Ayan na, nakikita ko na yung mga mosque kasi diba, Turkey is a Muslim country, so you will see mosque. How do you say it? Mosque everywhere. You used to live here and this used to be your neighborhood, right?
Yes. I live 3 minutes from here.
Yeah. Ganda. Did you like it here, babe?
Yeah, I like it.
Is it a safe city?
I never had a problem with it.
Okay. Yan palang pupuntahan namin, Hilltown.
And chicken quesadilla. For me, Monty. Home lemonade? You have lemonade? Yes. One lemonade?
Andito na kami, and we're gonna eat lunch. I ordered mac and cheese and quesadilla, and then he ordered soup and Turkish pasta.
Dumplings.
No, Turkish ravioli.
Dumplings, yeah.
Turkish ravioli. Or Turkish dumplings. Yun yung in-order niya. Ang ganda ng mall dito, guys. Babe, I'm saying that the mall is so nice and beautiful. Ang ganda ng mall dito. Ang dami nilang mga brands and although what I noticed is open na open ang smoking cigarette dito. As in, everywhere you go, people are smoking. Right now here at the restaurant, people are smoking here inside. As in, pero open air. Pero yun yung difference. Diba sa atin sa Pilipinas, you can only smoke at certain areas. Here, girl, second-hand smoke everywhere. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo dito sa ano nakikita ko, guys. Ayan, ang ganda. So nice. Oh, yan yung para wow. Oh my god. That's so much food.
Mac and cheese.
Yeah. Just put it here. Oh my god, that's too much food. Ang dami naming... Ay, babe! Ang dami naming in order. But it's okay because I have a big jowa.
Which didn't have breakfast.
Yeah, it didn't have breakfast. Let us eat.
Kain na.
Kain na. Oh my god, I feel like this food is gonna fill me up till tomorrow.
And you already have dinner plans.
Sige, one. Just only one.
You see no comment. She didn't like it.
Huh? I didn't know you were waiting for my comment. It's good.
It's usually when you give somebody to taste, like they usually comment about it.
Okay, babe. You don't have to be so
if
technical about it.
she's silent, she didn't like it.
Huh? I like it.
You like it?
But I like my order more.
You're acting like it's a pizza.
Because who wants the crust? Nobody.
Huh?
Nobody wants the crust.
There's no crust.
That's the crust.
It's not.
That's a crust.
It's not a crust.
Ang sarap. Ang lalaki ng mga servings nila dito. Eh, meron pa ako mac and cheese, oh.
Sarap.
And then, I have this. It's so big. But I'm gonna give the rest of it to him. Because he's the finisher. Happy, Dad? You're happy? Get your protein. No, get the potato. Because you need the sausage.
Is that on ketchup? No?
No, I think it's
Sweet chili?
spicy. Maybe like Tabasco. You take it now.
I got my protein.